Hi students, I am Madhivanan. We are going to see how to differentiate the function in the form of y equal x to the power n and y equal 8 times x to the power n, quadratic function y equal ax square plus bx plus c. Earlier we got these derivatives from the basic definition y equal x square, therefore dy over dx equal 2 times x to the power 1. This 2 coming front here, x to the power 1. Y equal x cube, therefore dy over dx, when you take this 3 in front, therefore 3 times x to the power 2. Here 3 power 3, here power 2. Here power 2, power 1, 1 power low from the basic equation. Now we will see y equal x to the power n. When you differentiate this function dy over dx equal, take the n front of the x, there were n times x, n minus 1. You should subtract n from the n minus 1, is n minus 1. The n times x to the power n minus 1. This is the important formula for the derivatives. When you consider y equal 8 times x to the power n, therefore dy over dx equal, you take the n front of the x, n times a x to the power n minus 1. Therefore, Na x to the power n minus 1 is the answer. If you want to take the fx here, therefore you should write here f dash x. F dash x and dy by dx are same. Now we will see y equal x to the power 6. Therefore, when you differentiate the dy over dx equal, you take the 6 front of the x, 6x, 6 minus 1, 5. We say y equal, another equation y equal 2 times of x to the power 7. Therefore, you should take dy over dx. Take the front here 7 times, 2 times x to the power 7 minus 1. Therefore, 14 x to the power 6. The 1 power low. Now we see y equal x. Therefore, y equal x here power 1. Y equal x means power 1. Therefore, dy over dx equal 1 into, you should take this power in front, 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. That is equal 1 into x to the power 0. Therefore, 1 into x to the power 0, 1. Therefore, 1. X to the power 0, here 1. X to the power 0, 1. Any power of 0, 1. Okay. Therefore, when you differentiate y equal x, therefore dy by dx equal 1. Now we will see y equal a. When you by a is the constant, a is constant. Constant means number like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. A is constant, that is number. Therefore, y equal a. When you differentiate a number, dy over dx equal 0. For example, y equal 6. When you differentiate dy over dx equal 0. Therefore, when you differentiate the number 0. Now we will see quadratic function y equal ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, dy over dx equal, you should take this 2 front, therefore 2ax, 2 minus 1, 1 plus, when you differentiate bx, the x differentiation of x 1, therefore b into 1. Therefore, differentiate the constant term, this c is constant, therefore 0. Therefore answer is 2ax plus b into 1 b. Now we will differentiate y equals square root of x. Therefore you can rewrite y equal x to the power half. Therefore dy over dx equal, take the half front, half x to the power half minus 1. Therefore half into x to the power half minus 1 minus half. Therefore you can rewrite this x to half into 1 over x to the power half. Therefore half into x to the power minus half. When you this negative power you can bring down. When you bring down positive power, 1 over x to the power half. The minus half, this is the numerator. When you change it as denominator, x to the power half, the negative power, change it to positive power, that's 1 over half into this x to the power half square root of x. Therefore you can multiply it again, 1 into 1 1, 2 into square root of x, 2 times square root of x. We see differentiation of this function dy over dx equal, take the 6 in front of the x, 2 times 6 into x, 6 minus 1. This number differentiation 0. Therefore you can write 2 into 6, 12, x to the power 6 minus 1, 5. Now see this differentiation 7, y equals 7x, 7x means 7x to the power 1. Therefore dy over dx equal 7 into 1, this 1 you take front of the x, x to the power 1 minus 1. Therefore 7 into x to the power 0, the x to the power 0, 1, 7 into 1, therefore 7. Therefore when you differentiate this 7x, answer 7. When you differentiate this quadratic function, dy over dx equal 3, take the 2 front of the x, 2, x to the power 2 minus 1, 1 power low, plus 4x differentiation 4, number differentiation 0, 5, differentiation of 5, 0. Therefore 3 into 2, 6, x to the power 2 minus 1, 1 plus 4. Therefore answer is 6x plus 4. When you see this type of question, when you differentiate this question, first you should simplify x cube over x. X cube means x into x over x. When you cut this 1x and 1x, you got x into x. Therefore, that is x squared. Therefore, when you simplify x cube over x, x squared. Therefore, y equal x squared. When you differentiate dy over dx equal 2 come front of the x, 2 x to the power 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, answer is 2x. Okay students, we will see you in the next video. If you want to follow the online classes, see inside the description box. Thank you. Bye bye.